Welcome back, Truck and Riders. Today we are going to see one more interesting product from Truck and Ride. This is our motorcycle saddle bag, Xplorer model. This is a big capacity bag. Let's see the main components of this bag. One side is actually filled and this side is not filled. So let's see what are the components of this bag. It's a roll down type bag, and it's got a inner lining. Inner lining is fully waterproof. Apart from that, it also comes with external rain cover, so it's a double protection. This is the internal lining. We will take it later. First, what we need to do is, for ease of packing, we have given the fiber sheet like this, folded inside the compartment. So before installing the bag, you need to insert this one inside the bag so that it will have a stiffness. So this sheet you need to insert inside the bag to get a boxy shape like this. So for inserting this fiber sheet, there are 3 slots. So you need to put it tight till the top corner. Likewise the other side also. So once you insert the fiber sheet, then the bag will have a sturdy shape like this. After inserting the fiber sheet, then you need to put the waterproof liner inside. Then the Velcro panels are there. You need to attach. So once you pack your stuff inside, this is a roll down type bag, so you need to roll it down minimum 3 times. So this will become waterproof. Inside buckled straps are there. You need to just attach to the side strap like this. And also we have given a Velcro strap in the middle just to secure it. So this is the main compartment of the bag. Apart from that, it got a side compartment like this. So once you fill your stuff inside, for anything you need to access easily, quickly, you can just keep it in the side compartment. There is one more small compartment like this, where you can keep your some tools or small accessories, stuff like that. Apart from that, there is a mesh pocket, the opposite side, for water bottles, any other stuff like that. You can tighten the strap for that. So this is the overall size and shape of the bag. Since this is a roll down model, the beauty of it is this can be adjusted to different requirements. Suppose if you have less luggage, you can fold it completely like this. So this will be the minimum height of the bag. In case you have more luggage, you can fill it more so that the height will go further up. Let's see how to fix this bag. It will fit on most of the motorcycles, but you need to ensure that your model is compatible with that, because at the end of the day, it should not touch your exhaust, or while riding it should not go and touch the wheels. That might damage the bag. So let's see how to install this one. This is the shape. Now these are the 2 Velcro straps connecting both the bags. The strap can be removed fully like this, both the straps, so that this bag can be carried individually. Okay, and we have also provided a shoulder strap. When you carry the bag, you can use this shoulder strap, one for each side. So once you adjust both these velcro depending on the width of the seat, then we have given one more middle strap. This is actually good for bikes where you can open the pillion seat, so that this can be locked under the pillion seat also. So in this case, here we are just putting it on the seat itself, the small elastic here. So you need to you can use this elastic so that the strap will be secured further. There is another strap like this, starting from one side of this one side, going through the other side of the bag. So you can connect this also. I'll show you. So here also we have given a small elastic band, so you can put it like this. So this is also secured now. Sorry, on this some corner of the bag also we have given a strap like this, so you can remove this one, and this got one end is looped like this. So any of this pipe, you can attach this one. For example, here or here, anywhere you can attach it. We'll take it through here. So we can lock it anywhere. For example, we are trying to lock it here for this bike. So once you tighten that one, then this can go here. Then you can tighten it further, and elastic loop is there. You can just put it through, so that this side is also fully secured now. Same way, the other side also got a strap, so you have to open it up from the loop, from the buckle. You need to open it, and here where we are going to put it is okay through this maybe. This ladder buckle, you can use it for securing it. So this also got a elastic loop like this. So now it is fully secured. So now this saddle bag got secured. Two straps on either side of this one, and one on the back side, and then two velcro straps on the top, one more middle strap like this. So this is how this Xplorer bag looks on a Interceptor. As you can see, this much clearance is there between the exhaust and the bag. So normal scenario, this should be sufficient. In case you want to secure it further, you can use any saddle stays. See, this much space is there as of now. So in case you are loading it up with a lot of stuff and it's going to hang further, better you can use any saddle stays. So that's all for today's video. Stay tuned for another interesting product.